Hello again, or for the first time, in which case, welcome. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a simple loaf of whole wheat bread. Is this gonna be the best bread you've ever had? Probably not, but it's tasty and pretty easy to make with little active work time, so it can fit into a busy or overwhelming day. For it, we'll need 400 grams of whole wheat flour, 100 grams of plain white flour, 20 grams of sugar, 10 grams of salt, 60 grams of oats, 40 grams of pumpkin seeds, 40 grams of sunflower seeds, 20 grams of linseeds, 1 packet of dry yeast, and 320 milliliters of warm water. Of course, you can adjust the types and amounts of seeds you're using based on your taste and what you have available. But anyway, let's begin. Mix together all of your dry ingredients, so everything except the water. Then pour in your water and mix it around with a spoon until it begins to form thick clumps, which you can begin to knead. Knead your dough. At this point it should be mildly sticky, but relatively easy to remove from your hands. Set it aside to rise for around an hour. Once that time is up, you can preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius and prepare a tray with baking paper. Transfer your dough onto the tray. During this, you may or may not end up knocking it down. Either way is fine, as we're giving it a bit of time to rise while we're waiting for the oven to warm up. Shape it into a roughly rounded loaf. Once the oven has finished warming, put the bread in and let it bake for 40 minutes. Take it out, and if I were a professional baking channel, I'd tell you to wait for it to cool down completely before cutting it. But I'll be honest, the allure of warm, freshly baked bread is worth it being a bit denser for me. However, if you have the self-control that I lack, wait until it cools. But then, cut a slice and either serve it with soup or put some hummus onto it, or you probably know how bread works. Why am I explaining this? Just enjoy.